how to go. How to get the chest to the chest room. This is much little bit hard. Let's go. Go to the Skylands. You have to be at tough level like max or others level like 500. If you're using light, it will be easy. If you're using the others fruits, that will be hard to climb. Wait for the end. This is a little bit far. Keep going. Keep going. Do not give up. Let's go. Wait till the end. This may change the music. Wait, just wait till the end, guys. I'll still teach you. Keep going. Do not give up. Keep going. Over there. Go here. Go over there. And transform. Okay. This now may change the music. Let's go. Let's keep going. Keep going. Do not give up. This is go to the temple. Be careful of these guys. They might be powerful. Do your all skills. Then there you are. Climb all the chest room. Claim all of this. Keep going. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you have to subscribe to the channel and like and subscribe so you'll know how now. See you tomorrow, guys. Enjoy.